What up, everybody? What's up, my peeps? Welcome to another series of Tuck Notes, beginner stock talk. Welcome to my new my subscribers. Welcome to my viewers. And certainly welcome to you haters that are watching. That is not the viewers that are continually supporting my channel, or maybe, possibly, some subscribers, I'm not sure. But it's more towards certain people that hate Tucker. So, I am so fortunate to be able to say this on the air and have over maybe 300 people listen to this as I speak right now. I try my hardest and my best to share my knowledge with you. And, I appreciate what you're watching it, and those of you that subscribe to it, I appreciate that even more. And here's a fun thing. To the people that I don't like, and because you don't like me, and you're trying to, basically these people are trying to get me fired from my job. And they're doing everything they can to make my job hell every day. And they think they're going to try to penetrate me. And they're not. So I'm just putting you on fire and lit on the camera right now. Because you'll be watching this video, guaranteed. Because you stalk me wherever I go, wherever I walk. So, thank you for watching this video. Works full circle, Alright, now let's get into it. I hope you lose money. Not you guys, but the other people. Alright, where am I at? So, okay. Oh, got it. I apologize. However, we'll jump into it. Massive move coming for Workhorse, NIO STOCK. How to trade NIO STOCK and Workhorse earnings coming up. Topics we're going to cover is Workhorse and NIO STOCK earnings, what to expect, and major other upcoming earnings throughout this week that we'll be having. So Workhorse is currently $16.17 at the time of the filming. It's trading around $16, and it's been trading around between $15 and $16. Honestly, this entire time it came out. Give or take, there's been those big roller coasters of up and downs, but that's its support line. But there's an earnings report coming out this week, and we could see Workhorse turn a 19% upside to the upside or downside. So what that means, so that's a $3.50 plus or minus to $16. So we could see it go up to $19.59, or we could see it go to $13.73, or even maybe $12. You never know. It's what it is it's vital about what we're gonna hear. Those of you that'll be awake in the morning, I won't be, but I will have an alarm to wake up and buy certain stocks that I'm not going to say, but then I go back to sleep. that's a good tactic too, so you can get sleep if it's viable at that time. Anyways, you know, so we're not going to know we're not going to see a reaction until, you know, I don't know, whenever they do their delivery announcements at 6:30 or a little bit after 6:30, I don't know. But, you know, according to, now here's with ARK Invest and how they're, you know, connected. Kathy Woods found it odd that the USPS did not commit to fully electric platform vehicles. Sounds like a political scam to me, honestly. I'll just be direct. They're just coming up like it's you can just smell it everywhere. Kind of like the air I was breathing earlier today. In spite of the USPS contract, it did not go through, and we talked about that. But she still went ahead and bought $600,000 more shares of Workhorse. So she's got high conviction for the future in EV vehicles of Workhorse. So that's super important for long-term holders. Also to pay attention to the earnings report tomorrow because of this drop in increase. Other companies, we said NIO's $47.78. It has a 15% chance of upward movement or downward movement, which I did not write down what that equates to, but I can tell you that it's $19. So it can go, or no, it's not. I'm sorry, that's wrong. My math's wrong. But it can go to either $53 and make a new high, probably, or not a new high, but a new something, or it can go down to $38. So, what is Tucker saying right now? You never know. LOL. Shimon Frankus. Be on the lookout because if the earnings reports end up being bad, that's a hooray to the people that do not have Workhorse, because then you can buy it at a really low cost. Lowest you'll probably see it. The support line actually of Workhorse is around $12 to $13. So I don't know if you knew that. The top companies that are to focus on Monday, according to my source, are Zoom and Lemonade. Those are two big companies. They will both be doing the earnings report in the afternoon. Then Tuesday, you have retail stock, Target in the pre-morning and Fubu TV in the afternoon. Wednesday, we have Splunk and Snowflake in the aftermarket. Thursday, we have Costco in the aftermarket and Kroger in the pre-market. The most anticipated earnings releases for March 1st. Like, I know that February's been a rough month, and you know, certain sectors have just tumbled and gone down, and I can raise my hand, like, definitely I am in that sector and losing a lot, have lost, but I do see a little turnaround. If you want, you can get involved in bank stocks, because then you might have a lot to benefit for the month of March. There is a lot of inflation fear, though, that there could be an increase in interest rates coming soon in the next year or after that, depending on how our economy reacts and recovers to this, recovers from COVID and the stimulus package that's coming, that will be passed really soon, and how that's going to affect the economy. So, you know, still volatile. It'll be volatile probably until the stimulus package is gone or been given. So keep an eye on your SPAC companies that we talked about in my other videos. Those two might be popping off this week. This week's supposed to pop off, and then next week's supposed to be a bloodbath again. So it's a great trade a great time to swing trade if you know how to do it. If you don't, definitely don't do it. I do not advise you to do it. And March is an interesting month because it's a bullish month, and that is verbatim from my source, and I believe them, and it's a recovery month, and so we should see a correction in the near future. So this is Tucker reporting live from Tuck Notes, and if you want to follow it, it's on YouTube. I'm on Instagram at TuckerMLO, and you can check out my blog at #TucksBlog. Have a good night. Bye.